All right, so I want to go over dose equals strength times amount. I am here to help you pass the MAP exam, which is the Medication Administration Program. Some states call it Meditech. So let's get right to it here. All right, so this formula is very essential for you to remember. Dose equals strength times amount, okay? And so when you say that, you might say to yourself, why do you need to remember it? You are not prescribing, but the reason you need to remember it, you're not doing any math. MAP is essentially about you copying, but you need to have a framework of what document you're looking at. So first, I'm going to tell you the formula, and then we're going to say who is responsible for what. Dose, right? So don't forget, dose is the responsibility of the HCP. HCP stands for healthcare provider, okay? The doctor. Watch my other video about who can prescribe. That's very important. So you have a doctor's order here. John Smith, Tylenol, 100 milligrams by mouth twice a day, and then the doctor would sign. Let's make the doctor, I'm just making it up. So if there's a real doctor with this name, Dr. Abigail Make Believe. All right, let's say Dr. Abigail Make Believe, okay? And Abigail signs her name MD. So she is a prescriber. So John Smith Tylenol, 100 milligrams by mouth twice a day, and you have a valid signature. That is the 6 components of a doctor's order. I won't get into it in that video. There's other ones there. So this right here is the dose. So John Smith 1 is the patient. Tylenol 2 is the medication. 100 milligrams 3 is the dose. By mouth 4 is the route. Twice a day 5 is the frequency. And the signature, an appropriate signature, is the 6 components of a doctor's order. So right now we are dealing with the dose. So the HC provider, the doctor, decides what dose. He or she is deciding that they want to give you, let me move this out of the way. He or she is deciding that they want to give you 100 milligrams of Tylenol. So 100 milligrams is the dose. Now, for you to understand strength and amount, you have to get a sense of what's happening. So with MedPass and transcription, the 2 documents you need is the doctor's order, the HCP, healthcare provider order, and the pharmacy label. The label means you have the pill in your hand, right? The blister packs. So you need those 2 things, and I'm going to put pharmacy label here. So these are the 2 entities that you're dealing with, and you could go back and watch my transcription video, just like the playlist, and you will see all of the videos. Okay, so the pharmacy, the doctor ordered 100 milligrams, but now what if somebody offered you, what if you needed $1 to save your life, right? What if you needed $1 to save your life, right? So I'm going to put here in symbols, I'm going to put $1, okay? Now, the pharmacy decides how to dispense that dollar to you. If they give you one $1 bill, have they saved your life? Hopefully the answer is yes. So I'm going to put strength, I'm going to put S for strength, and I'm going to put A for amount, okay? So if they give you $1 bill, that's the strength. And if they give you one of them, they have saved your life. 1 times 1 equals 1, okay? Now, somebody else, you still need the dollar bill. Somebody else happens to give you, the strength is 25 cents, all right? So the strength is 25 cents in this scenario. So I'm going to put 25C. 25 cents. How many of those do you need to equal $1 bill? You need 4. So if a person gave you 4 quarters, if you needed $1 to save your life and a person gave you 4 quarters, did they save your life? I would hope that the answer is yes, because they have. So the strength was 25 cents and the amount is 4. 4 times 25, okay? And let's just do one last one. All right, you need $1 to save your life, and you have dimes. Somebody have dimes, 10 cents. They would give you 10 of those. If someone gave you 10 dimes, did they save your life? I would hope the answer is yes. So strength times amount equals dose. So the doctor decided to give John Smith 100 milligrams of Tylenol, wants John Smith to take it twice a day. The pharmacy can dispense that however they want. They go into what they have in their reserves. If they have a 100 milligram tablet, if they have a 100 milligram tab, they will tell them to take 100 milligram tab, take 1 tab. Okay? So that strength and amount, that equals the dose. If they have 50 milligram tablets, they will tell them to take 50 milligrams, take 2 tabs, plural, or you can put tablets. But remember, in transcription, you have to be exact. The one thing, if they were, say if the pharmacist, and this is important, this is a test question, had 200 milligram tabs, in the blister pack, you would see half a tab, a pill already cut up. Okay, because MAP staff in the state of Massachusetts are not allowed to cut pills. So you would see half a tab, and that too would equal 100 milligrams. Okay, so all of these, the pharmacy could take their pick, and all of this would equal the dose that the doctor wanted. So I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link. We have test questions that you can do to pass your exams, and make sure you like this playlist. All right, take care. Bye. Oops, let me stop this.